Alright guys, I'm going to try to plug her back in. Plug this little fan in up here. That's the clip side. Camera down. There we go. I can see, even though I'm blind. Think she's on there. I think. Not too energy cable. You think she'll be fine? See that wire hanging like that? Or should I tuck it? No. Cable managed. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna screen and then we're gonna fire this puppy up, guys. I'm gonna take the mic off before I lose my ever-loving mind. I need to get a stand for it. Alright. Power on in the back. Move this guy here. Make sure my stuff comes on. There we go. Let's put this here. Okay, there it goes. The biggest thing that worried me the whole time was the BIOS update, but I don't think it was that big of a deal. But we'll see. We'll see if I get it right. Alright, we're ready, I think. Ready. That's not good. Well, here's the problem. Turn the grill power on. The cooler's coming on, that's good, right? Get all the goodies out. $1660 Ti, and I just put a CPU in this guy. We're gonna see if I didn't break it. No signal. What am I doing wrong, guys? No signal at all. I don't hear any crazy noises or anything. Put it in the socket right like that, you know. I think it's like stopping itself and rebooting itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the main power off. Maybe I have to get it to come on and hit delete a bunch of times to get into the BIOS. I'm not really sure. Alright guys, I'm gonna try to do some troubleshooting, see what I did.